In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with M&T Bank Mobile, full tutorial. We'll walk through the official M&T website together so you can enroll quickly and confidently. Use a private device on a secure Wi-Fi connection and have your account details nearby. First, open your web browser and go directly to mtb.com. Type it into the address bar yourself rather than clicking ads or random links. Check for the padlock icon and confirm the URL is exactly mtb.com. That way you know you're on the legitimate site. When the homepage loads, head to the login button, usually in the top right corner. On some screens, it may appear inside the main menu. Select Login to open the sign-in page you'll use after enrollment. On the login page, choose the Enroll option. It may appear as Enroll Now or Sign Up for Online and Mobile Banking. This begins M&T's guided enrollment process. Next, enter the information the site requests to verify your identity and link your accounts. Follow the prompts at a comfortable pace and type your details exactly as they appear on your account records. After verification, you'll create a username and a strong password. Pick something unique with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and consider using a password manager to keep it safe. You may also confirm contact methods and set extra security, like a one-time passcode or security questions. If a code is sent, retrieve it on your chosen device and enter it promptly. Before you submit, review the terms and double-check that names, addresses, and numbers are accurate. Once enrollment is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. From now on, sign in using the same login button on mtb.com with the credentials you just created. If you prefer using your phone, download the official M&T Bank mobile app from your app store and log in with those same credentials. In the app or online, it's a good idea to enable alerts and, if your device supports it, biometrics for faster, secure access. And that's the entire process. If your screen looks a little different, M&T may have refreshed the layout, but the flow stays the same. Visit the official site, go to Login, choose Enroll, and enter your information carefully. Take your time, keep your details secure, and you'll be set up for online and mobile banking in just a few minutes.